Hi guys, it's Mr. Close again. This is a video for potential student conductors. Anybody who's interested in becoming a student conductor, I'm going to give you 2 patterns that I need you to learn that you will be expected to use next year. And so this will be a really great opportunity for you to get those under your belt. For any younger singers who stumbled upon this, then you can use these to learn if you're thinking future, like if you're a sophomore or junior, thinking maybe my senior year I want to go for this, then these are really great things to practice. Let's take just a brief moment and talk about hand position, what our hand looks like. If you lift your hand to shake somebody's hand, then whatever natural hand position your hand takes right there is your natural hand position. Now if you look at mine, I have, it's odd, right? I have a little bit of a gap between my third and middle finger. Okay, there's a little bit of splay between there, but that's my natural hand position. And so I want to just real quick show you a quick gesture with my natural hand position. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you one with an unnatural hand position. Now I've put all my hands together, it's a perfect form and everything. Now watch this conducting. Right? It feels stale to me. It feels like there's no breath, there's no life in that conducting. So that's why you always want to start with your natural hand position. And that's not to say like you're not going to shake someone's hand like this. Hi, nice to meet you. You don't ever want to conduct like this. But a little extra space in your hand is fine because you're giving so much information to your singers by just the way your hand looks, right? If it's rigid, or if it's droopy, right? Or if it's just alive and natural. This is going to kind of walk you through the 2 different patterns you need to know. The first pattern we're going to learn is the 4 pattern. Okay, this is the bread and butter of conductors everywhere. 4 pattern, a 4/4 time, or any pattern that has 4 major pulses in the measure is the first one we're going to learn. So if you imagine I'm standing in front of you right now, the easiest way to learn it is I say, "Hi, future conductor of America. Nice to meet you." And you put your hand out to shake somebody's hand. I don't actually do it because when I'm teaching young conductors, I don't know that I shake them down, across, out, up. Okay, those are the 4 movements. Okay, so say it with me. Here we go. Those 4 words. Ready? Down, across, out, up. Piece of cake. Now that correlates obviously to what our hand is doing. Okay? And we're going to start with 1 that starts down. Okay? Here we go. And down, across, out, up. All right. Now if we correspond those to the number of the beat, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Down, across, out, up. Piece of cake. Always getting that hand position in its natural, organic position and practicing 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Piece of cake. Down, across, out, in. So get that mastered, get that really comfortable so you can just do it without thinking. All right? Do it without thinking. I'm in a 4 pattern, I'm just doing this, and then I can think about, oh, I have an appointment today at 4 o'clock, I gotta get my teeth cleaned. Da, da, da. I don't actually have that, but you know, you want to be so natural. That's just second hand. Once you get that down with the right hand or whatever your dominant hand is, usually it's the right hand, I guess. Try a mirroring gesture. Okay, down, and then both hands are going to go across, out, up, down, and then across your body, coming in together, then going out away from each other, and then back up together. Okay, practice that. Get that really comfortable, and then try to be able to do it with each hand independently. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to seem difficult and frustrating, and then you'll get it slowly, slowly, slowly. It really only takes a few minutes every day to get that under the belt. When you do practice this, I recommend doing it in front of a mirror so you can check your posture, because a lot of times our body will get all bent out of shape when we're trying to do this. Okay, good. The second pattern I want to teach you today is the 3 pattern. Okay, the second most likely pattern you're going to see, and it has to do with any time signature that has 3 major pulses. So that's 3/4, the most common. So another example would be 9/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's just breaking each pulse into 3 versus 3/4 time, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay. For this pattern, we are going to take 3 of the same gestures that we just had in 4/4. We're just going to get rid of the 2 pattern. Okay, we're going to get rid of the across. So the words for this 3 pattern are just down, out, up, down, out, up. Okay, say that with me. Ready? Go. Down, out, up, down, out, up. Piece of cake. And you're just making a little triangle with your hand. Okay, again, get your hand up. A nice neutral gesture, nice neutral hand position, Okay, and we're gonna start down. So get your hand up. Here we are all together now. Ready, set, here we go. Down, out, up, down, out, up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna practice it in the mirror with a neutral hand position, and then you are going to try to get it mirrored. Up, down, out, up, down, out, up. Okay, and then you're gonna try and get each hand independent. Down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. Okay, so this is step number 1. There'll be a second video with some still very rudimentary techniques, but stuff that you will need to know. So look for video 2. This is where you got to start though, and just get these 2 patterns down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two-handed looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the 3 pattern. 1, 2, 3. Down, out, up. Okay, and then we're gonna do them together. Down, out, up, down, out, up. All right, so those are the 3 pattern and the 4 pattern. The 2 patterns you're gonna have to know to be a student conductor. Super straightforward, just takes a little bit of work every day, okay? Good luck, and I'll see you in video 2.